Well, hello there. This is Classical Builder with my latest project, some of which you guys may not appreciate, but this is a Clayton Boyer number 6 clock in a tall case that I designed. It runs absolutely perfectly in 24 hours, keeps very, very good time. Of course, you have to wind it once a day, but I just think it's a great design, the clock. I'm going to show you a little bit close up here of the weight. This is a 6-pound weight. That is a copper tube that I engine turned, which is kind of nifty, I think. And the P I added for the first letter of my last name. And of course, it has this base on it. It's pretty heavy. It's out of 3/4 ply that's veneered with some fancy walnut. It's all black walnut all the way around. And I have one other little shot I want to show you.